morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, your friend Novi. For today's video, we're going to do another unboxing. Are you ready? Yeah. For today's unboxing, we're gonna unbox my son's shoes. These shoes actually, we ordered this one because it's locked down here in Melbourne, so we decided to order this one online. So it's a Nike Dunk Low Presco. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. So this one is size 12. Yep. It's a nice shoes. It's a leather and synthetic. As you can see. It's a low Nike. This is for my 7-year-old son. 7 years old. Look at the sole. And I'll show you the inside. Oh. So yeah. So this one, we ordered this from Jade. I think JD Sport. Yep. So my son likes it. Actually, it's good. If you could see, how close is it? And it's really nice. Yep. It's a good shoes. This shoes is, the color is white, bright crimson, blank, Jurial, and Cramoisi Vif. So the size is UK 11.5, CM is 18, and Euro is 29.5, 12C for US. So yeah, we bought this one for my son, Mac. And hopefully he'll like this one. It's a good one. I reckon you'll for those who have kids like a 6 or 7 years old or 9 years old, I reckon you guys might have to order this one because it's a good one, a very good one for your son or daughter. It finds because it's actually it's unisex. Yeah. It's very good. Yay. Yay. And that's the first unboxing. I'm gonna do the second unboxing. That's shoes. It's for me. Well, we ordered together. So I ordered this one and my shoes for my walking or running. I ordered that one too. So the part 2 will be uploaded too. It's an Ultra Boost, so I will show you that also. So for now, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and also subscribe in my channel. Just kidding, I'm not forcing you to subscribe. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. Bye. See ya.